In this final episode, my Defender 110 dies and we have to leave it behind. Iva does, however, find the problem. I have to use the Garmin InReach Mini to get assistance. A hyena takes a bath. AD cleans the e-chart at choir school, and I manage to get Eric to the airport on time.
Sorry?
Your crank battery, do you know where it's on? What voltage is on?
0. It was on 12.7.
They'll have cruiser parts. They've got a really nice workshop there. Getting my sloth move.
This was a very difficult time. We had to leave my vehicle behind. The alternator had completely stopped working and the cranking battery was not getting its charge in order for us to carry on. We had to take our essentials, water, some food, snacks, clothes, and the basics that we needed as we were leaving our vehicle behind. As I climbed onto the side of Cole's vehicle to do a water crossing, some information came over the radio. A big sigh of relief from all of us. 2 of the Safari Lodge companies got the information from the Garmin InReach Mini. They came to help and support us and take us inward. It was a great relief, and we were very excited to see them.
Come meet them.
Because it's my alternator's dying. So I can't get it going.
We got help, right? I like your boat.
Oh, thank you. I put some drinks here.
Oh, guys,
Put some
let's drink. Refreshment. Cayla, want a whiskey and water?
By now reality had taken over, and so were my emotions. What have I done to my team? What did I put them through and ask them to do in following me through this process? Helping school kids is amazing, but being stuck in the wild with only their support, that is something that can only be treasured for life. After that short pit stop and refreshments, the team carried on the convoy, while the 2 Land Cruisers and myself headed back to change the battery in my vehicle. Unfortunately, we didn't get any footage of it, but both Land Cruisers got stuck in the soft, moshy sand, and it took us about 45 minutes to get them both out.
And it's not small. It could be a big male. I don't know. But he's big. Okay, so we're trying to do a water crossing and Ivor gets chased out by a, what was it? Buffalo? Yeah, Ivor chased him out.
You see them running when I
A
went in
big
there?
buffalo.
After another 2 grueling hours of being stuck and muddy water crossings, we finally made it into Hyena Pan. We were grateful. We had space, communication, and we had time to clear our vehicles and get everything back in order. Once that was done, everyone had an opportunity to sit and look at the view. By the next morning, it was like nothing ever happened. We headed out as a normal day. 1 or 2 little roadblocks, but we finally made our way into Choir Primary School, where we met up with Sandra and her
One
team.
just arrived,
That's
and
fine.
the mother was like, please, please,
Yeah, bring.
please. Okay.
Bring.
We're gonna go.
Getting the vehicles in the right formation, the kids arrived and started to line up to have their eyes screened, while AD went around and made sure that the eye charts were nice and clean. And what felt like a lifetime was over, just like that. As the plane took off and made a slight turn on our ascent, luck would have it that I got one last look down that line in the wild I saw a few days ago. Leveling out and returning my gaze to the seat in front of me, I couldn't help but write these few words down. The wrong road for the right reasons. The legend of Anton Poplet. Thank you for watching the 3 episodes. I want to give a huge shout out to the team and a big thank you to the iKamper community. Your contribution has made a huge difference to these communities.